Multiple-use canvas bag perfect as a school tote, lunch bag, clothes bag, laptop carrier, laundry bag, grocery or travel tote. Quickly and easily fold up the tote and use when needed. Quality assurance with solid construction. Tote bags are made of 100% cotton, constructed of 10-ounce sturdy machine washable cotton canvas. Each tote holds up to 30 pounds. Trendy and versatile. Each set includes 3 bags with 3 different French print designs. Stay current and trendy. Great gifts for your loved one. Set of 3 totes are perfect for gift giving as birthday, Mother's Day, back to school, or keep it for yourself. Washing tips. Machine washable and durable for daily use. Wash with cold water in gentle cycle. Tumble, dry, low. 100% cotton canvas shopping tote bag is functional and durable. DII canvas shopping tote bags are 100% cotton, made and machine washable, are also reusable and recyclable. Long-lasting, heavy-duty construction saves you a lot of paper and plastic bags for many years. The 10 ounces sturdy 100% cotton bags can hold up to 30 pounds to accommodate a variety of uses. These reusable canvas bags are not only amazing school or work bags, but also perfect for any grocery shopping, crafting, tool carrying, beaches trips, picnics, farmers markets shopping and so much more. The 15x 15.5x 4.25 in dimensions makes it simple and easy to hold and carry your books, stationaries, groceries and more. Large space of Monogram and Embroider allows you to add unique personality on to go. DII canvas shopping tote bags come with varies color and prints to carry your necessities with a touch of style. Top reviews from the United States. These are very nice bags, very stylish and a good size. I used these to wrap gifts for my girlfriends on our getaway weekend. I added some tissue to puff them and tied them with satin off-white and black ribbons around the top. They are so pretty.